Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to make some extra crispy naked wings in my Ninja Foodie extra large grill. So I've already washed and patted dry my wings. I'm not even using mustard today. I usually put mustard on my wings. Already cut them. They are pretty dry, and I sopped up the water from the bottom of the bowl. Okay. Okay. I was trying to decide which seasoning I was using. I know I want them spicy. So I got this spicy smoked seasoning. What's the brand? Savory Sabori Victoria, no MSG in that. Or the Nashville hot chicken seasoning. I tasted both of them in my hand. This tastes better because it's smoked. I like a smoked flavor. And to make these naked wings extra crispy, I'll be using some baking powder. Not baking soda in the orange box. Don't use that, y'all. This is the this brand doesn't have aluminum in it, so it's good. Some people use baking powder and cornstarch, but the first ingredient on here is cornstarch. Okay, so it's in here. This is the Rumford brand baking powder. Now we shake this up first before you use it. I'm going to use about a tablespoon. No, I'm not using no tablespoon. I'm going to use, this says a half a tablespoon. I'm using half a tablespoon because I don't have that many wings. So let me lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. Plug this air fryer in. Okay. I don't want the stuff to go everywhere when I open it. I still got half of this metal seal on it. And peel some of it off. It's real sifty, like flour. So this is half a tablespoon. Okay. Now see what I'm doing. Sprinkle this on here. Put the lid back on here. Okay. Sprinkle this freely. This is the smoked, spicy smoked seasoning. I'm just going to sprinkle. That's a lot. Got everything in here. The pepper, the salt, the paprika, the smokiness. So that's how it looks. And I'm just going to massage these wings. Like I said, they're dry. Always start with dried off chicken. With some of the cornstarch and the seasoning on each piece. Could have put them in my shaker bowl and shook this so they'd be evenly coated. I'm gonna miss my mustard. These to be as dry as possible. I'm gonna let them sit at room temperature for maybe 15 minutes. I'll be back. I think I want a little more of the baking powder on here. Okay. I would say a little more than a half a teaspoon. Try not to touch this with my nasty hand. Okay. And I'm going to use this a little more. Because I got to see it. If I don't see it, it ain't there. And I'm not going to spray these wings, y'all. You ain't supposed to have to spray naked wings. But I'll see how they're doing. Okay. I'm going to let them sit and I'll be back. Okay, y'all. It's back here. Okay, I'll be using this fry basket. Oil in this pan to catch the grease for easy cleanup. I'm going to spray the basket. This is old and I don't want no chicken to stick. You know the wings make their own grease if they're naked. But I'm not putting any oil on the wings like I usually do. Okay. These sat for about 10 minutes. I staggered the drumettes, one fat part up, one fat part down, so more can fit. I'll show y'all. Don't put them in the same direction. Okay. I wonder how they fit going this way. Always put them the same way. See, more to fit going this way. This is the way the wings look. This is 8 wings cut in pieces. So it's this many pieces. Can't figure. Okay. I'm not spraying any oil on them. Turn it on. I'm going to set it up and put for air crisp. Set it for 450. 20 minutes ought to do it. Start. I'm canceling the preheat by pressing that and opening this. So now the timing has begun. I'll be back. Okay, cook for the whole 20 minutes at 450. This is how wings look, y'all. So we're going to see if they got really, really crispy. Y'all hear that sizzle? And I didn't spray any oil on the chicken. I just sprayed the basket. And I didn't flip the wings. That's how the other side looks. That's stuck anyway. Or to just come in here, see if I was through cooking yet. Oh, he don't cry. Oh, these are spicy. And they still stuck. Like I said, I didn't flip them at all. And they're feeling crispy. It ain't too spicy for me. I have fixed chicken that was too spicy for me. I forgot what breading I used. Child, the stuff was so spicy. So I just gotta clean the fry basket. Turn it off. Unplug it. And bring that cord around there and push that back. Look good. Yeah. Kind of scared to taste it because I know it's spicy. But we're gonna see how crispy they are. If that baking powder did the trick. Okay, which one I want? They're piping hot. Oh, it's hot. Let me get a thumbnail first. Thumbnail. Okay. Look at that wing, y'all. Look like it's breaded. I don't think the baking powder is called a breading, so I still consider these naked. Oh my. Juicy, crispy, oh my, spicy, not too spicy, not too salty because I shook a lot of this stuff on there. This is what I'm going to put on my wings. Tiger sauce. This is sweet heat. This is kind of spicy and sweet. Something like that. That duck sauce that you put on egg rolls, but this is kind of spicy. But I wouldn't consider this a hot sauce. So, sweet and spicy go together. You have to be careful pouring it because it got this big old opening. Okay. I left Walter a couple flats and the rest drumettes. I'm slaving over the air fryer all day, so I should get what I want. Let me taste this with it on here. See if it enhances the flavor. Let me turn this around. You hear that crisp? Let me break this. Good eating, y'all. So, that's what's left. I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Bon appetit. Bye.